Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to see the factorization using identities. We are going to use the identities to factorize the equations. Okay. Now we shall recall the identities first. Okay. What are the identities we have seen? A plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? A square plus 2ab, yes, plus b square. Then a minus b the whole square? Yes, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. A square minus b square? Yes, a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Then another one for identity we have seen. What is that? X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square, yes, plus a plus b into x plus ab. These are the identities we have seen. Okay. So we'll see factorization using cubic identities. We know two cubic identities. What are they? A plus b the whole cube and a minus b the whole cube. Yes. What is a plus b the whole cube? Yes. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay. Then a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus, yes, 3a b square minus b cube. These are the identities we are going to use in the given problems. Okay. How to solve the problems using cubic identities we will see now. Exercise 3.4. Okay. Third sum. Factorize the following expressions using a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. First question is 64x cube plus 144x square plus 108x plus 27. First you have to see the first term and last term. See the first term. It is a cubic term, isn't it? What cube is 64? Yes. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. Yes. So 4x the whole cube. Then the last term is 27. What is the cube here? 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. So the last term and first term are cube term. Isn't it? Then you can use this formula. Okay. What is the question? 64x cube plus 144x square plus 108x plus 27. So now 4x the whole cube, because 4 cube x cube. So 4x the whole cube plus 3 into, by the formula, 3 into a. What is a here? A is equal to 4x. So 4x the whole cube, no? So b is equal to 3 cube. So 3 is the b. And now you substitute here 3 into a square b. So 4x the whole square into 3 plus 3 into 4x into b square, that is 3 square plus 3 cube. Now see, 4 4s are 16. So we can write this as 4x the whole cube plus 4 4s are 16. 16 3s are, 16 9s are, 3 3s are 9, no. So 16 9s are, 9 16s are, yes, 144x square. It came, isn't it? Here also, the question also, we have 144x square. Plus, here 3 3s are 9. Here 4 3s are 12. 12 9s are, yes, 12 9s are 108x plus 27. Okay. So, the answer is a plus b the whole cube. So, a is 4x and b is 3. So, 4x plus 3 the whole cube is the answer. Okay. Then we shall see the next second problem. Second problem is 27p cube plus 54p square cube plus 36pq square plus 8q cube. Okay. Using the same identity, you have to solve this also. So, see the first term and last term. First term is 27p cube. The last term is 8q cube. So, we can change this to cube. How will you change this 27 to cube? 3 3s are 9. Here we saw, no? So, 9 3s are 27. So, 3 cube we can write a 27. Then 8, 2 cube we can write. 2 cube we can write. So, 3 cube, p cube. That is 3p the whole cube. Here 2 cube, q cube. That is 2q the whole cube. Okay. Now, see the in between. Plus 3ab. Here write a is equal to 3p. And b is equal to 2q. Okay. Then you substitute here 3 into a square, that is 3p the whole square, into b, that is q, plus 3 into a, that is 3p. Then b square, that is 2q the whole square. Okay. Plus 2q the whole cube. Now see, 3 3s are 9 here. Here 3 2s are 6. 9 6 are 54. Yes, 54 p square cube. Then here 2 2s are 4. Here 3 3s are 9. 9 4s are 36 p q square. Okay, it came. So the answer is 3p plus 2q the whole cube, that is a plus b the whole cube. 3p is a and 2q is b. So 3p plus 2q the whole cube is the answer. Factorize the following using a minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So, first one, y cube minus 18y square plus 108y minus 216. Okay. Here see the first term and last term. First term is y cube. The last term is 216. 216 is, what is the cube here? 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 216. So, y cube minus 18y square plus 108y minus 216. So, we can write this as 6 cube. Okay, here y cube. So, a is equal to y, b is equal to 6. Okay. Now, we shall take the 3a square b. Okay, minus 3 into y square into 6 plus 3 into y into 6 square, that is 3ab square minus 6 cube. So it will come as 6 3s are 18, 18y square. Here 6 6 are 36, 36 3s are 108, say y minus 6 cube. So the answer is y minus 6 the whole cube. That is a minus b the whole cube. A minus b the whole cube. So answer is y minus 6 the whole cube. Then second sum. The same identity are going to use for the second sum. Okay. The second sum is 8m cube minus 60m square n plus 150 m n square minus 125 n cube. See the first term and last term. 125 means 5 cube. Isn't it? 5 cube n cube. You can write this as 5n the whole cube. So 2m, 8m cube means 2m the whole. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 2m the whole cube minus 3 into, here a is 2m and b is 5n. Isn't it? So 3 into 2m the whole square into 5n plus 3 into 2m into 5n the whole square, that is 3ab square, okay, minus b cube, that is 5n the whole cube. Now you solve and see. Here 2 2s are 4, 3 5s are 15, 15 4s are 60 m square n. Okay. Then here 5 5s are 25, 3 2s are 6, 25 6 are 150 m, here n square minus 5n the whole cube. So we have got the given question. So the answer is a square, a minus b the whole cube, isn't it? That is a is 2m and b is 5n. So 2m minus 5n the whole cube is the answer. Now we shall see the factorization of the expression. Till now we have seen how to factorize using identities. Now here the first term is x square, but the last term is not the square term. So for that we are going to use the formula, the identity ax square plus bx plus c. You have to take the expression as ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. So we have taken ax square plus bx plus c. Here a is 1. That is before x square we have 1. So a is 1. B is 8. Okay. C is 15. Okay. First you have to see the product of a and c. Now the product of a into c. This is a and this is c. So you have to multiply a and c. That is product 1 into 15. Here a is 1 and c is 15. So you multiply a into c is equal to 15. Then you have to see the sum. Sum is b. B is equal to, here the b is 8. We have taken as 8. Sum is b. We have taken that sum as 8. Okay. Now how to solve we'll see. Here the equation x square plus 8x plus 15. So product and sum. Product is 15 and sum is 8. If we multiply, we must get 15. So think about the 5 table. Yeah, 5 3s are 15. Then 15 1s are 15 we can write. 15 1s are 15 means if we add these two, we will get 8. 15 plus 1 is 16. Isn't it? ரெண்டையும் add பண்ணா we will get 16. So இதை யூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. So 5 3s are 15. ஓகேவா அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கலாமா? So we can take this 5 3s are the 15 எந்தெந்த டேபிளில் வருதுன்னு we have to see. Okay, what are the tables? 15 டேபிளில் வருது, அப்புறம் 5 டேபிளில் வருது. We can take as 3 table also. So 3 5s are 15, isn't it? So 5 3s are 15. இப்போ எடுத்திருக்க இந்த ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணால் we have to get that sum 8. Okay. If we add 5 and 3, we can get 8. ஆமாம், 5 plus 3 8. But here 15 plus 1 16. So we cannot take this one. Okay. We can take this 5 3s are 15. So 5 plus 3 8. So now shall see. Add பண்ணா 8 வரணும். மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் if you multiply you have to get 15. Okay. 5 3s are 5 3s are 15. Add பண்ணால் 8. Okay. So we can write this as இந்த 8 என்ன செய்யலாம், we can split into 5x plus 3x ன்னு அதை எடுத்துக்கலாம். we can split. ஓகேவா? so x square plus 5x plus 3x. we can take 8x என்ன செஞ்சிருக்கோம், 5x 3x ன்னு எடுத்துட்டோம் plus 15. okay. now we shall take the common terms outside. இதில் ஒரு x இருக்கு, இதில் ஒரு x இருக்கு, isn't it? so we can take x common. common எடுக்கும்போது remaining is here 2x, x into x. so 1x I have taken outside, then write the other x plus here we have taken the x outside, then remaining is 5. okay, x plus 5. then here plus here 3 5s are 15, here also on 3 we have, isn't it? here also on 3 we have, we can write 3 5s are 15. அழகாக இப்போ இது இப்படியே எழுதிக்கலாம். 3 5 into 3 we have splitted this into 5 into 3. ஓகேவா? plus 3x. இப்போ 3 we have taken 3 outside. இதில் ஒரு 3 இருக்குது, இதில் ஒரு 3 இருக்குது. remaining is x plus 5. here remaining x, here remaining 5. okay. now here one x plus 5, here one x plus 5. we can take x plus 5 common. okay. here remaining is x, here remaining is 3. so the answer for x square plus 8x plus 15 is x plus 5 into x plus 3. okay. therefore the factors are the two factors are a or e are x plus 5 into x plus 3. have you understood? I shall say again one time. here the last term, see the last term, it is not a square term. square term illa. so we are taking this expression as ax square plus bx plus c. okay. ax square plus bx plus c ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறோம். அந்த ஃபார்முக்கு இதை பார்த்துட்டு a is 1. here a is no terms, so you have taken 1. a is 1 and b is 8, then c is 15. எடுத்தாச்சா? சரி. first you have to see the product of a into c. product of a ங்கிறது என்னது, first term last term multiply பண்ணிக்கணும். that is product of a into c. 1 into 15 is 15. okay. then sum, always the sum is the center term, that is 8. sum is center term 8. b the sum. okay. now for multiplying we are taking as 15. for add we have to come 8. மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் 15 வரணும், ஆட் பண்ணால் 8 வரணும். அப்போது இந்த 15 எந்த டேபிள்ஸ்லாம் வருதுன்னு we have to see. it will come in 15 table, isn't it? 15 டேபிளில் வரும், 5 டேபிளில் வரும், 3 டேபிளில் வரும். so we can write like this. 15 table means 15 ones are. if you add 15 plus 1, 16. you cannot use this. so 5 3s are 15 வருது. 3 5s are also we can take. okay. அப்போ 5 and 3 add பண்ணு, it will come 8. yes. so you can use 5 and 3. right, as multiplying we get 5 into 3. for adding we get 8 plus 8. okay. now we have to split this 8x as 5x plus 3x. okay. then this 15 as 5 into 3. okay. now here see here x is common here, so you are taking x outside, remaining 1x, remaining 5 plus here 3, here on 3, here on 3. so you are taking 3 outside, here remaining x, remaining 5. so again here is x plus 5, here also on x plus 5. so you are taking x plus 5 common outside. Then remaining in this term is x. Then remaining in this term is 3 plus 3. So the two factors are x plus 5 into x plus 3. Okay, have you understood now? Thank you. Have a nice day.